Hello, my beautiful friends, and we continue our lessons from englishlime. So as you can see from our board, we will talk about imperative sentences today. What does it mean, imperative? Imperative means when we ask somebody to do something, and it's very, very easy. For example, to make an imperative sentence, we have to start our sentence with a verb. For example, let's take the sentence about window. We say, open the window. Right? This is positive imperative sentence. You start with the verb. No subject, no I, no he, she, nothing. Start the sentence with the verb. Verb. No subject. Okay? This is positive one. Let's make a negative imperative sentence. So, if you want somebody not to open the window, you say don't. So you add negative auxiliary verb, helping verb. Don't end the same sentence. Don't open the window. As you can see, it's very, very easy, right? So, for example, one more example. Close the door. Close the door. This is positive sentence. Now let's make negative one. So we again add don't. Don't close the door. Right? So this is the main structure for imperative sentences. The main rule. Start the sentence with the verb. This is verb. Action. Verb. Right? So, let's make some examples together with you. For example, the phrases that you use all the time. You talk with your friend. You say, tell me, my friend. Right? Or usually the teacher says at the lesson, don't speak. Right? Don't speak. Don't speak. One more example. The mother says to the child, don't be late. Don't be late. Again, we have the verb be. Verb 1, the first form of the verb. We know that it's emizar, right? Don't be late. Don't speak. Verb, verb, verb. And one more example. For example, go out. Go out. You see, it's super easy. But I want to tell you something. For example, don't be late. If you say it with a high tone, don't be late, you sound a little bit rude. So if you want to sound a little bit polite, right, you can add the word please. For example, don't be late, please. Let's see the difference. Don't be late. Don't be late, please. So it is still imperative sentence, but it's more polite, okay? The same, go out. It's a bit rude, right? And then you say, go out, please. Like the teacher says to the student, I don't know. But you sound polite. Go out, please. Or here, don't speak. I told you, don't speak. The teacher is talking. And when you say, don't speak, please, still you show that you are you want to sound polite, right? So you can add the word please or you just don't use the word, right? And it depends on your tone. From your tone, from your voice, intonation, you can show you are angry or you are not angry. You say, don't speak, or you say, don't speak, right? Plus, don't forget about the word please. The main rule, start the sentence with the verb. And we don't use any subject. I, he, she, no, right? Very easy. So now, stop the video and try to make your examples. For example, you have a brother or little sister. You can use them and you say, for example, I don't know, John, bring me some tea. Or close the door please. Or turn on the radio. Don't turn on the radio. Practice it with your brothers, sisters, friends. Right? Verb or don't and the verb. So, talk to your mother. Talk to your father. Make short, basic sentences. It's super easy. You have to say it. Don't just look, right? Try to speak what you learn, okay? This is rule number 1 in our education. So, thank you very much, and I hope to see you next lesson. Take care.